Did you know that the keyboards we use today were inspired by typewriters? Back in the 1800s, inventors designed the layout of keys we still rely on, revolutionizing how we communicate. The QWERTY arrangement was created to prevent jamming in early typewriters, and it stuck. As technology evolved, that same design transitioned to our modern computer keyboards, shaping the way we interact with devices. Every time you type, you're tapping into a rich history that connects us to the past. It's fascinating how a simple design choice has influenced our daily lives for over a century. Thanks for watching.